Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nulaxy laptop stand. This is the same company that sent out the Bluetooth dongle, the Bluetooth receiver. And I also have one of their phone stands, which I haven't reviewed. This is just something I bought. After they sent me that other product out, I saw that they sold this as well. And I really needed a stand to prop my phones up when I do software videos, so I actually purchased one from them and it works great. Very nice stand, I love that one. So they offered to send me out a laptop stand review, so I went ahead and agreed, because I do use my MacBook Pro off to the side of my desk, off to the corner, when I'm using my triple monitor setup. When I'm using my triple monitor setup, I'll have my MacBook Pro off to the side, and I have a really long mouse mat on my desk, so it tends to wobble just a little bit, and the keyboard is a little hard to reach. So this fits perfectly on here. The stand is adjustable as well. On the back here you can adjust it pretty far in either direction. So if you need it to be almost flat, you can do that, and you can have a very nice surface to type on. It's got rubber on the top here and rubber all along the bottom here, so you don't have to worry about scratching your computer. And then it's got rubber feet as well, so it stays in place very nicely. And it just props the laptop up very nice. You have access to all your ports because there's nothing on the side. You can lift it up. You have your keyboard, you can type very easily. The screen props up nicely, so if you're off to the side, like I said, it's easy to see and all that kind of stuff. You can plug in all your stuff, use an external monitor. Or you can take it and you can just fold it down, and leave your laptop here. If you're using it with an external monitor and you leave it closed, you can put it down like that, and it will be propped up a little bit to help with cooling and stuff like that. If you're doing some video editing, or there's a processor intensive task, it'll help keep it a little bit cooler, especially since there's some airflow on the bottom here. So really a nice stand overall. I will link it down in the description below where you can pick one up on Amazon and check one out for yourself. I don't have the box for it. Pretty sure this supports anywhere from about a 13 to a 17-inch laptop. And the weight will be listed on the Amazon page, but it supports mostly anything between 13 and 17 inches. I haven't tried it with my Dell gaming laptop yet, which is a 15-inch. It's a little bit heavier, but I will try that eventually, and I will post that down in the description below if I have any problems with it. If you don't see anything about it, then it worked perfectly fine, and that's good to go. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below, and as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.